All right, guys, a little POV drive. I'm gonna just do some quick accelerations. I don't want to go too crazy just because there's a lot of sheriffs around this part. Okay, let's see here. Oh shit. Yeah. Wow. You know, sometimes I forget how quick this car really is, especially with the stage 2, or not stage 2, stage 1 tune. It's tuned. Oh my gosh, that is insane. That's crazy. I hope you guys can pick up the audio. I'm gonna turn down my AC here. I'm gonna turn it down to 1 so it's a little bit more audible. Turn into here. Audi does not have the best turn radius. I'm just gonna have to reverse. You know, one thing I like about this car, like the feature, I like the 360 camera. I don't have diamond stitch seats, but I have massage seats. So that sort of makes up for it. All right, let's see here. Oh my goodness. Damn. I really hope that my phone camera can pick up how immersive this is, because it really throws you back into the seat. Keep in mind, guys, this car, it makes over 600 torque, so it'll shove you. It's a torque heavy car. Okay, well, I'm not gonna go too crazy just yet. I want to fly by my friend. He's recording me. All right. Woo! Yeah, that's crazy. I'm addicted to this. I don't know where to turn. I don't think I'm allowed to go in there. Yeah, there's just something about, you know, having a sleeper looking sedan making this kind of power and just throwing you back into your seat. That's one of the reasons I like this car, because it blends in with traffic. You know, it doesn't stand out. No one really expects it. Most people, non-car people, are going to see this and they're going to be like, oh, it's just a regular Audi. You know what I mean? No one's going to expect it to be a powerhouse. You know what I mean? Now, obviously, an enthusiast, they see the S6 badge and they're going to be like, okay, it's making something. There's something under the hood. It's not regular, you know? But, yeah, to the average person who doesn't know about Audis, you know, they're just going to think it's a regular business executive car. And that's exactly what it is. But these platforms have so much aftermarket, you know, potential and support. It's insane the kind of numbers people are doing with these things. I mean, it's an incredible car. It's like, it's a luxury car, but it's very dynamic and sporty at the same time. I will say this car does have quite a bit of body roll. Whew, that's crazy. That is crazy. Jeez. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna fly by my friend here. Get some good video footage. Oh, he's not even there. Oh, he's right there. Okay, never mind. Hold up. All right. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that guy in that suit that I just passed by, he looks like a police officer, so maybe I should chill out. I really hope I'm getting good POV footage for you guys. I'm filming this from my iPhone. I have like a little thing that I hang around my neck, and then I connect my iPhone to it with a magnet, and it like kind of, you know, I'm able to get good footage. But yeah, this thing is a blast. My gosh, every freaking time I like just press the throttle down, this thing just takes off. I kind of have this thing at an awkward POV because it's hanging from my neck and not from my head like you would with the GoPro. Anyways, that's just a little sneak preview of me driving the car. I hope you guys like this video. You know, if you want to see more S6 content, just like and subscribe. But yeah, I want to make more S6 content. I don't really see that many people making like vlog videos and build series on the S6. There's a couple people. Main person that I really know of that like really consistently drops consistent videos on the 4.0 T platform is the Wavy Kid. I think his videos are pretty cool. It definitely motivated me to want to pick up the camera again and just film good content. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. Until the next video. I don't know what my next video is going to be, but that's the end of this video. Again, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button if you want to see more content. If you don't like my content, then you don't have to do that. And I have no problem with it.